nearest to the camera. Fourth, absolutely in unison there.
You need a steady platform for a job like this, which means having smart suspension. The BBC outside broadcast boys have always liked using Citroens, but the old CX is getting a bit long in the tooth. But now there's a new XM Estate, and that's one of the cars I'll be testing on Top Gear this week.
The other is the estate version of the new Audi 100 Quattro, not known for a sophisticated suspension like the Citroen's hydroactive system, but well able to handle the rough going at Cheltenham. Both won't leave much change from 27 grand, so they're competing in the high-speed hold-all stakes. Both have V6 engines of around 3 litres, and both deliver similar performance figures, but that's where the similarity ends. It's mainly as estate cars that they'll be judged, so how do they compare in the luggage-swallowing department?
Citroën claim that the new XM has the world's largest estate boot. With this high rear window